Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here at Oramigami, where we have fun with paper. Today's video is going to be a fun one because we're going to be learning all about 3D origami. And while traditional origami is folding a single sheet of paper into models that could be either 2D or 3D, on the other hand, 3D origami is using these, which are small folded pieces of paper that could be connected together to form the models. And these models can range from being simple to complex, from cutie cartoony ones to realistic ones. So for today, we're going to be making a 3D origami swan. We're going to be needing 500 pieces of these small things that we're gonna call units from now on. And if you are interested in knowing how to fold these, I already uploaded a different videos or a separate video and put the link down in the description and somewhere in the upper right corner in this video. So for now, I'm gonna go and make the 500 pieces. It's gonna take me a few hours, but I'm gonna get back to you so we could assemble the model together. See you then. And now we are going to form our model. And the first thing we're going to do is form our base. And we form our base by connecting two rows of 30 white pieces each. And the way we connect the pieces is like this. We take two pieces and we connect them with a third piece like this. And then we continue to add pieces until we have our base. But in reality, forming a base in 3D origami is the trickiest thing in the whole model. So to do so, I already prepared or connected these like this. So one piece or two pieces connected together, and I'm going to just connect them like this until I have the base, the 30 pieces. Those are 15. And now we're going to connect these two together. And hopefully it won't break apart. Well, it did. Yeah, this happens a lot. So if you face this at this point, don't worry about it. It's just a normal thing. And now that we have formed our base, we're gonna add another row of white pieces. So another 30 white pieces. And we're gonna do it in a way that we're connecting each two pieces together from the previous row. And now the next row, we're going to start with 2 white pieces. And then 2 red pieces. And then we're going to complete the row with white pieces. And now for the next row, we're gonna add 1 white piece, 2 red pieces, and we're gonna continue the row with white pieces as well. And now with this, we finished the base of the model, and we're going to continue to form the chest of our swan. So to do so, we're just gonna continue this red triangle with red pieces like this. We're gonna outline these with white pieces. And then we're gonna outline them again with red pieces this time. And now we are going to start forming the wings. So we start right from the side of the chest with a red piece, then a white piece, then a red piece, then 4 white pieces in a row. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then a red piece, and then a white piece, and finally another red piece. And we're gonna repeat this pattern multiple times, but each time we're gonna shift 1 triangle. So we started from here, now we do it like this. So red, white, red, and then 4 whites, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a red, and then a white, and finally the red one. Be careful because the red one we only have 1 flap here, and we have 2 pockets. We have a right pocket and a left pocket. We use the right pocket here, so we don't put it like this, we put it like this, so it won't hang. And we're gonna repeat this 9 more times. And now that we have 11 rows, we're gonna complete the wing by putting 3 white pieces in the middle of the last 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, then 2 on top of those, and then 1. After that, we're gonna outline with red pieces. Then we're going to outline with white pieces. And the final step would be to outline with red pieces. And like that, we have our first wing. And now we are going to do the exactly same thing on the other side. And now that we have finished both wings and the chest, we're gonna do the tail. To do the tail, we just use these, put 2 white pieces. And 1 on top of them, and we're gonna outline them with red pieces. Like this. And the final step would be to form the neck and the head of our swan. To do that, we just take 2 white pieces, connect them with a red piece, and then put 2 white pieces on top, connect them with a red, and we repeat this 10 more times. And then we add 2 red pieces at the end. And we're gonna connect them together like this in 1 red piece. So we could have the peak. Maybe this one is a little bit small. Yeah, this one is okay. The final step would be to connect the head to the body, and we do it like this. So just we connect it like this. And with this, our model will be finished. That was it for today. If you guys have any particular 3D models that you want to see in the upcoming videos, please let me know down in the comment section. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.